हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। वेलकम टू आपके अपने चैनल लेट्स स्कोर फुल में। होप सो कि लास्ट वीडियो का आपने होमवर्क कर लिया होगा और वो 2 थ्योरम प्लस एक्सरसाइज कर ली होगी। तो चलिए अभी आगे का क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। आज हमें करना है 6.2 के आगे के क्वेश्चन प्लस हम 2 नए थ्योरम यहाँ पे आज सीखेंगे। ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है जो 6.2 का है। हमने 5th क्वेश्चन अच्छे से कर लिया था। 6th वाला देखिए कि हम कैसे करेंगे। 6.2 एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 6। सो एक उन्होंने फिगर दिया हुआ है, ये ट्रायंगल है, एक पॉइंट है इंटरनल E, उन्होंने ऐसे ज्वाइन किया हुआ है एंड इस पे पॉइंट A है, यहां B है, यहां C है एंड दे हैव जॉइंड दिस ऑल्सो। और बड़े वाले का नाम है PQR। क्वेश्चन बोलता है कि ABC आर द पॉइंट्स ऑन OP, OQ, OR रिस्पेक्टिवली सच दैट AB इज पैरेलल टू PQ। गिवन क्या है? AB is parallel to AQ, AC is parallel to PR, AC is parallel to PR, AB is parallel to PQ and to prove करना है BC is parallel to QR. So how to do this? With Thales theorem, BBT. So just see proof. In triangle OPQ, in OPQ these sides are parallel. OPQ, PQ is parallel to AB given. So it means what? Opposite side, parallel side का opposite vertex. वहां से देखिए OA upon AP is equals to OB upon BQ. Correct? BPT. Similarly, take triangle OPR. OPR. These two are parallel. It is given AC is parallel to PR. So parallel side का opposite vertex O से क्या जाएगा? OA upon AP is equals to OC upon CR. Correct? Again BPT. If this is my first equation and this is second, so can you see the left hand side is same to same? So from 1 and 2, what I can write? I can write OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon CR. ठीक है? Now see, OB upon BQ, OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon OR. It means what? In triangle OQR, the ratio is equal. Two sides का ratio is equal. It means what? According to converse of BPT, BC is parallel to QR. Correct? If the ratio is same in a triangle, if a side is cutting the two sides in such a way that ratio is same. So if the ratio is same, lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, ratio are equal. This is BPT. Clear? Okay. नोट कर लिए? चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। ठीक है, पॉज करना पड़ेगा। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 क्या बोल रहा है? प्रूव दैट अ लाइन ड्रॉन थ्रू द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ वन साइड ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल। एक ट्राइंगल है ABC, एक पॉइंट हम इस साइड का मिड पॉइंट लेते हैं। फ्रॉम P is the midpoint of AB. correct? P is the midpoint of AB. And if I draw a line parallel to any of the sides, suppose I am drawing parallel to this side. So if I draw a line parallel to this side, suppose this point is Q. So the question is, prove that a line drawn parallel through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. So what is given? Given is P is midpoint of AB. PQ is parallel to BC. And what we have proved? To prove is Q is the midpoint of AC. This I need to prove. Clear? Okay. So just see the proof. Every sum आप खुद ही ट्राई कीजिए पॉज करके, ठीक है? तो पॉज करने के बाद आपको खुद ट्राई करना है, खुद फिगर बनाना है, देन you see the answers. So in triangle ABC, I know PQ is parallel to BC, it's given. So I can apply the BPT theorem. BPT theorem means AP upon BP is equals to AQ upon QC, correct? Okay. Now they said P is the midpoint of AB. It means what? If P is midpoint of AB, it means AP is equals to BP. Correct? अगर midpoint है तो these two parts AP and BP are going to equal. Okay. If they are equal, तो यहाँ से कट हो जाएगा, मतलब 1. Correct? Because these two are equal, ones are, and just cross multiply. QC equals to AQ. QC equal to AQ. QC is equals to AQ means what? Q is the midpoint of AC. Q is midpoint of AC. Correct? Proved? Okay. Note कर लिए? Correct. Let's see the next question. Okay. Okay. Question number 8. So question number 8, if I am saying you read the question from the textbook, try it. If you are not getting, then you see the solution. Clear? Okay. So it says prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. What I have to prove? This is one triangle A, B, C. One side and one side. Suppose this is P and this is Q. हर बार वही AB और AC का ले लेके same to same हो रहा था. तो this time I have taken the midpoint of AB, that is P. Midpoint of BC is Q. And if I join these two, I need to prove that PQ is parallel to AC. Correct? Parallel to the third side. ठीक है? So what is given? Given is P and Q are midpoints of what? Of AB, PAB का है, and BC respectively. Okay. ठीक है. What is to prove? I need to prove PQ is parallel to AC. Clear? Okay. So, how to prove this? If I take the triangle ABC and start from the vertex B. So, BP upon PA, how much? These two are equal, na? Because P is midpoint, मतलब BP and PA are equal. So, this will get cut. Its value is 1. Correct? Because they are equal. Did you understood? Okay. नहीं समझा तो एक बार देखिए. अगर P midpoint है, इसका मतलब क्या है? BP और PA इक्वल है. करेक्ट? अगर midpoint है तो दोनों इक्वल होगा. Transfer nothing is there means I can do into 1. Correct? Now transfer this PA over division. So PA is 1, and that's what I have written here. Correct? Similarly, from this side you see, BQ is equals to QC because Q is the midpoint. It means BQ and QC is 1. Again BPT. No, not BPT, it is given. Okay. So can you see the both has right hand side as 1. So if the right hand side is equal, means left hand side should be equal. Okay, so I'll just write over here. So BP upon PA is equals to BQ upon QC. Correct? From 1 and 2. If this is equal, this is what just see, BP upon PA, BQ upon QC. So if the ratio are equal, it means PQ is parallel to AC according to converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. ये क्लियर? डन? ओके, रब कर दें. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देखिए. क्वेश्चन 9 क्या बोल रहा है? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at O. Okay. So we have one trapezium. A, B, C, D. They said these two are equal and the diagonal meet each other at O. Okay. Now this is given. Given is what? AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to CD. Correct. And AC and BD intersect at O. And to prove we have to do. To prove क्या करना है? AO upon OB is equals to OC upon OD. This we have to prove. AO upon OB is equals to OC upon OD. Great. D is here. So just see the proof. Also आपने try कर लिया है. Okay. So for this I have to do one construction. इसको आप दो मेथड से कर सकते हैं. सिमिलैरिटी से इट विल बी वेरी इजी. Similarity, but you can also do it with Thales theorem. How? We have to do construction. And what is construction? I'll write construction over here. Construction is draw a line through A, not through A, through O, such that suppose this is I'm drawing EF. Draw a line EF through O such that EF is parallel to AB. This is my construction. Clear? Okay, now see the proof. If I'll take triangle ADB, correct? ADB. EF is parallel to AB means the part of EF, that is EO, will be parallel to AB, correct? This is parallel to this. So I can apply BPT. A line cutting the other two sides is parallel to one of the side. So divide the other two sides in equal ratio. It means DE upon EA is equals to DO upon OB. Correct? Okay. That is my first equation. So I got which all? I got DO and OB. DO and OB. Now I need these two. So let's take that triangle itself. I need AO and OC. So better you take this triangle. Correct? So triangle ADC. Now here what? Okay. See here. is parallel to AB by construction, and AB is parallel to DC given. So a single line is parallel to two lines. AB is parallel to EF, AB is parallel to DC. It means what? EF will also be parallel to DC. करेक्ट? एक लाइन है, उसके पैरेलल एक लाइन, उसी के पैरेलल एक और लाइन. Means what? This line is parallel to this line is parallel to this. Means this line and this line will be parallel to each other. Correct? Okay. So here I can see if EO is parallel to DC, it means what? I can take AE upon AD, AE upon ED is equals to AO upon OC. This is my second equation. Clear? Now can you see EA and ED? Here ED upon AE, just ulta. So let's inverse the second equation. So if I'll inverse, it will be ED upon AE is equals to OC upon OA. That is invertendo. We have learned in the previous session. Invertendo, inversing both sides. Okay. So let's complete the sum over here. First and third. Left hand side is same to same. DE, ED, EA, AE. So if left hand side is equal, definitely right hand side is going to be equal. So DO upon OB is equals to OC upon OA. Correct? Now see, alternando I can apply. Alternando, the type of ratio. So OA upon OB is equals to OC upon DO. हमने इन दोनों को alternando लगा दिया. If you are not understanding these terms, alternando, invertendo, just see the triangle का video number 2. I have explained all these calculation, invertendo, componendo, dividendo, alternando, etc. Clear? This is done. Let's see the last sum of this exercise, and then after that we'll go for 2 theorems. Okay, so question number 10. What it says? The diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at O such that, okay, it is inverse of the previous question. How? This is trapezium A, B, C, D. The diagonal intersect each other at O. They have given AO upon OB is equals to CO upon DO. This is given, and we have to prove that it is a trapezium. This was a quadrilateral such that their diagonal meet each other at O. This is given, and we have to prove A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Trapezium. Trapezium means if I can prove AB is parallel to CD, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then I can say it is trapezium. Correct? So actually I need to prove this. ठीक है? Okay. So how to do that? Just see. So can I write again? Draw the construction. Draw a line. Draw line EF through O such that EF is parallel to AB, and this time AB is not going to parallel to CD as they have not given AB and CD is parallel. Correct? So EF is parallel to AB. Draw the line. Okay. Now suppose this is E and this is F. ठीक है? From here, okay, take triangle ADB. EO is parallel to AB means what? DE अपॉन EA is equals to DE upon EA is equals to DO upon OB. Correct? Okay. From here, if you see from this equation, what is given? AO upon OB is equals to CO upon OD. Can I apply alternando? Alternando means OD upon OB is equals to CO upon OA. Correct? This is given. So what I did? I applied alternando. So from here, OD upon OB, can I write OC upon OA? DE upon EA. From this place, I can write this. CO upon OA. Because these two are equal, so I can write this is equals to this. Correct? Now you see the triangle ADC. ADC, what is given? DE EA is equals to CO upon OA. Correct? So can I apply alternando, not alternando, invertendo here? If invertendo is here, so EA upon DE is equals to OA upon CO. Invertendo. Invertendo, just inversing here. Invertendo. So can you see AE upon ED is equals to AO upon OC. So converse of BPT, what it says? It says EO is parallel to DC in a triangle. See, this is the triangle. In a triangle, if the ratio is same, so lines are parallel. So this line is going to equal parallel to this line. That is converse of BPT. Converse of BPT means what? See here. EO is parallel to DC, but EO was parallel to AB. Correct? यहाँ कर देते हैं. EO is parallel to AB. I have taken by construction. But here I have proved EO is parallel to CD. It means what? Therefore, AB and CD will be parallel to each other. And that is what? This. Means what I need to prove, I already proven. It means if one pair of opposite sides are parallel, means the quadrilateral is what? Trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Clear? Done? Okay, great. So चलिए आज 2 थ्योरम और सीख लेते हैं. ठीक है? रब कर दें? ओके. So one theorem is, it is not in NCERT, but this is very important theorem which we use at many places. ठीक है? Instead of theorem, they have given this theorem as a sum in the exercise. ठीक है? So the theorem is, in a triangle A, B, C. So one triangle is there. If you draw the bisector of one of the angles, suppose I am drawing a bisector AD. Bisector means dividing the angle into 2 equal parts. Correct? So what is given? Given is AD is an angle bisector. Angle bisector of BAC. Angle BAC का angle bisector है. Okay? So this is given. थ्योरम क्या बोलता है कि अगर आप एंगल बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करते हैं तो अपोजिट साइड को वो जिस में डिवाइड करती है रेशियो में, मतलब BD अपॉन DC. देखिए ये एंगल बाइसेक्टर है, अपोजिट साइड को किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करेगी? BD अपॉन DC. that ratio is going to equal to the side which make the given angle. तो ये एंगल को हम बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, करेक्ट? ये एंगल को बनाने वाली साइड कौन सी है? AB एंड AC. सो आई नीड टू टेक AB अपॉन AC, करेक्ट? मतलब if you draw the angle bisector of any of the angle of a triangle, ठीक है, that angle bisector will divide the opposite side in a ratio which is equals to the ratio of the sides which makes the given angle. ठीक है, एंगल बाइसेक्टर अपोजिट साइड को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रही है, तो इनका रेशियो ये बाकी जो एंगल को बनाने वाली कौन सी साइड है, AB एंड AC के रेशियो के इक्वल होगा. अब आपने बोला कि आपने AC और AB क्यों नहीं लिया? ओके, AB और AC लेने का तरीका क्या है? इफ यू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट BD अपॉन DC, तो आपको इसी पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होने वाली साइड लेनी है, मतलब AB अपॉन AC. लेकिन अगर आप यहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं CD अपॉन BD, तो आपको यहां से स्टार्ट होने वाली साइड लेनी है AC अपॉन AB. क्लियर? सो जिस साइड से आप अपोजिट साइड का रेशियो ले रहे हैं, उसी पॉइंट से बाकी के दो साइड का रेशियो लेना है. क्लियर? ओके, ये है हमारा टू प्रूफ. अब इसका क्या कर देते हैं, प्रूफ देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, सो प्रूफ करने के लिए यू हैव टू डू कंस्ट्रक्शन. क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन है? टू डू अ कंस्ट्रक्शन. व्हाट कंस्ट्रक्शन? ड्रॉ अ लाइन CE parallel to AD and extend BA such that they meet at E. ठीक है, so construction is CE is parallel to AD. Okay, now see the proof. What is proof? AD is parallel to CE means what? Just see. AD is parallel to CE. So alternate interior angle will be equal. Which alternate interior angle? This is transversal. So this angle is going to equal to this. Correct? So angle DAC is equals to angle ACE. Both are x by alternate interior angle. So this is a x. Correct? Same way, angle BAD is equals to angle AEC. BAD is ACE and that is corresponding angle. See, two parallel line, one transversal, so corresponding angle is equal. That is corresponding angle. Corresponding angles means this is also x. Correct? X, this is also x. So from here, can you see these two angle are equal? Correct? देखिए, this is equals to equal both x. These both are x. So these two angle itself are equal. How? यहाँ से देखिए, DAC and BAD. These two angles are equal. If these two are angle equal, so they are also going to equal. So ACE is equals to angle AEC. Correct? In a triangle, now you see triangle AEC. In a triangle, if opposite angles are equal, correct? So sides opposite to them are also equal. Correct? Side opposite to equal angle. We have studied this in 9th. Sides, देखिए, अगर ये ट्राइंगल है, ये एंगल अगर इक्वल है x एंड x, तो इसके अपोजिट की साइड इक्वल होती है. एंड कन्वर्स इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. एक ट्राइंगल में अगर साइड इक्वल है तो उनके अपोजिट के एंगल इक्वल होंगे. करेक्ट? ओके, सो इन ट्राइंगल ACE, व्हाट इज देयर? AE is going to equal to AC. This is my first equation. Clear? Now see over here. I know in triangle BCE, AD is parallel to EC. So according to BBT, BD upon DC is equals to BA upon AE. बाई BPT, करेक्ट। ये साइड पैरेलल है, सो बाकी के दो साइड का रेशियो इक्वल होगा। ओके, सो BD अपॉन DC इज इक्वल्स टू AB, not AB, AE is equals to AC. Here AE is equals to AC. So in place of AE, I can write AC. Correct? So from here you can see what we wanted, we have already proved. Correct? So hence proved. ये क्लियर? ओके, चलिए इससे रिलेटेड हम दो बहुत अच्छे सम्स कर लेते हैं। ये डन? रब करूं? ओके, so the first sum says this is one triangle and the triangle name is ABC as usual. The angle of bisector of A is D and the measurement given is this is X, BD is X and this is 6 minus X. AB is 10 centimeter and this is 14 centimeter. And this is angle bisector means angles are equal. Find out X. Try कीजिए. Okay. So see. According to angle bisector theorem, if I draw the angle bisector of one angle, it divides the opposite side in a ratio which is going to equal to, अगर आपने यहां से रेशियो लिया है तो you have to take the side का ratio from that side. So AB upon AC. Correct? BD की वैल्यू X, CD की वैल्यू 6 minus X, 10, 40. सॉल्व कर दीजिए. 14x, 60, 6x, 20x, इसको लेफ्ट में ट्रांसफर करेंगे प्लस, सो 14 प्लस 6, 20, सो x इज 3, सो x का वैल्यू इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. ये क्लियर? डन? ओके, चलिए एक और कर देते हैं एकदम बढ़िया सा. रब करें? ओके, ये एक्सरसाइज का सम नहीं था. This is like just sum related to theorem. There is one more random sum. The question is, एक quadrilateral दिया हुआ है, not parallelogram, any of the quadrilateral, something like this. ठीक है? ऐसा quadrilateral. नाम है इसका A, B, C, D. And AC is a diagonal. ठीक है? ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equals to AD. The bisector of BAC का bisector ऐसा and CAD का bisector. देखिए BAC कौन सा एंगल होगा? BAC दिस एंगल और ये इसका बाइसेक्टर है. CAD और इसका बाइसेक्टर, तो ये दोनों इक्वल, और यहां की बात करूं तो ये दोनों इक्वल. ठीक है? ये E है और ये F है. होगा. नाउ BC को E पे कट कर रहा है और CD को F पे. हमें प्रूफ करना है EF is parallel to BD. ओके, BD is here. ये पैरेलल है EF की. फिगर ही अजीब सा बन गया. ओके, देखते हैं, ट्राई कर लीजिए. दिस इज टू प्रूफ. सो सी द प्रूफ. ओके, सो ट्राइंगल ABC देखिए, ABC एंगल A का मतलब ABC में BAC एंगल का बाइसेक्टर कौन सा है? BE. तो अगर BE बाइसेक्टर तो अपोजिट साइड को किस में कट कर रहा है? BE एंड EC के. वो किसके इक्वल होगा? BE एंड EC किसके इक्वल होगा? BA एंड AC के. करेक्ट? दिस इज माय फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, करेक्ट, बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम से, एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम से। अगेन ट्राइंगल CAD देखिए, CAD, इस ट्राइंगल में भी एंगल CAD का बाइसेक्टर AF है, करेक्ट। तो अगर AF बाइसेक्टर है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो अपोजिट साइड को, AF का बाइसेक्टर D, अगर D से स्टार्ट करो तो DF अपॉन FC, DF अपॉन FC, DA अपॉन AC, DA अपॉन AC। ये समझा क्या? क्वेश्चन समझा कि नहीं वो पहले बताइए। क्वेश्चन क्या था? एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल जिसकी दो साइड AB और AD इक्वल थी, AC एक डायगोनल था, उसको ज्वाइन किया। सो BAC का जो एंगल बाइसेक्टर है वो है AE, और CAD का एंगल CAD जो एंगल है उसका बाइसेक्टर है F। हमें प्रूफ करना है कि EF और BD पैरेलल हैं, करेक्ट, ओके। सो ये तो एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम से आ गए। एंड आई नो AB and AD is equal, so can I write here given AB is equals to AD है, ये भी given है। So from here I can write DF FC AD upon AC. This is my third equation. So from 1 and 3 what I can write? 1 and 3. That is nothing but BE upon EC is equals to DF अपॉन FC, करेक्ट, ओके। देखिए BE कहाँ है? BE अपॉन EC इज इक्वल्स टू DF अपॉन FC। एक काम करते हैं, इसको इन्वर्टेंडो लगाते हैं तो क्लियर हो जाएगा। EC अपॉन BE इज इक्वल्स टू FC अपॉन DF। ट्राइंगल देखिए CDE में EC अपॉन EB, FC अपॉन DF, रेशियो इक्वल है तो कन्वर्स ऑफ BPT से क्या हो जाएगा? FE इज पैरेलल टू DB, FE इज पैरेलल टू DB, करेक्ट, ओके। तो मैंने इसके वीडियो के एंड में एक 3 क्वेश्चंस डाले हैं इस थ्योरम से रिलेटेड और बढ़िया हैं, आप उनको ट्राई कीजिए। अगर आपने वीडियो अच्छे से ध्यान से देखा है तो आपको वो डेफिनेटली आ जाएंगे, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लेके आएंगे सिमिलैरिटीज के थ्योरम, उनकी प्रूविंग एंड क्वेश्चंस। तब तक के लिए बाय।